So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Wise in Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go over to your left side of the screen. You can see apps, settings, and many more options. So on here you can just go ahead and click on settings in order to get to the connection between Shopify and Wise. Now from here you can see some general settings that I've just set up to show you guys how it will look. From here, click on payments. After you click payments, you can see supported payment methods, payment capture method, and you can choose a provider through here. So on here, you can see a lot of providers and you can see methods that can be linked through there. Now you can just go ahead and type out Wise. So try changing the filters of the search item. You can also add it through clicking on Wise. And you can use Wise International account. Once you have local information of your account on Wise, you can be better suited to mess with third-party payments, so you can actually incorporate Wise. As you can see, there's a lot of different payment methods that can be added through here, and you can just contact the provider before you actually decide if you want to use their added payments or not. So that's how you can do that, by just adding through provider, or you can just search by the payment method itself. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.